Hey friends, welcome on the new Insights section on Panoramata. It's your own competitive intelligence AI agent. There are several ready-made AI agents ready to help. Plus, you can create your own custom agent. In a word, imagine getting automated insights, recommendations, campaign ideas, even creative analysis straight to your dashboard, backed with competitive intelligence data. Today, I'll share examples on how you can track and identify your competitors' email and advertising strategy, how you can anticipate them, identify the marketing events you need to focus on, track everything you'd like with custom insights, how to get those insights automatically on your dashboard and make them work for you. The first thing is the setup. Super easy. Create the insights you would like to get. There are several ready-made insights agents you could use, or you can create the custom one for you as well. Once it's done, you'll get campaign recommendations and marketing insights on autopilot, all of them backed with competitive intelligence data. You can anticipate your competitors' move, identify market trends, and get creative ideas at the same time. You need to track and anticipate your competitors' email and ads? Done. Curious which marketing events matter the most? Done. You can build custom insights for anything you care about. Here, for instance, we'll ask to focus on the ingredients and the main supplements they're promoting in their strategy. So we can focus and identify the core active ingredients competitors are focusing on right now. In the travel industry, for instance, we can ask the geographic destinations the competitors are promoting. You've got it as well. The best part? You can save them, of course. And you can also generate assets that matches your brand's tone of voice. Once you've saved them, you can retrieve them here directly on your account and make sure that you can act on them later. So go ahead, explore your new AI-powered insights agent, providing marketing recommendations backed with competitive intelligence data. And yep, go beat them. Take care. Speak soon. And wherever you are in the world, have an amazing day. Bye-bye.